Sinasabing palaban man ng isang lalaki, may mahahanap rin siyang katapat. Isang babaeng magpapatiklop sa kanya. Ngayong hapon, ang kapuso leading man na si Richard Gutierrez ang sasailalim sa hamon ng dalawa sa kanyang mga naggagandahang leading ladies sa pelikulang My Valentine Girls. Sino kaya ang higit na nakapukaw ng atensyon ng aktor? Si Rian Ramos na unang nakatambal si Richard nang pumasok ang aktres sa showbiz 4 years ago? O si Solenn Heussaff na unang nakilala si Richard nang magbakasyon ito 4 years ago mula sa Paris at di umano'y niligawan raw ng aktor nang magkasama sila sa Survivor? Gaano nga ba kalalim ang samahan ni Richard at ng kanyang Valentine Girls? Richard Gutierrez haharap na sa hamon ni Rian at Solenn, live na live.
Let's get it on! Tawagin na natin agad si Mr. Richard Gutierrez!
We run free, stay up late, we sleep, got our friends, got the night.
And dancing, no less. Chard, take your seat over here in the middle. And we're about to start something that you haven't done this week.
I know, it's going to be fun and interesting.
Yes,
Diba?
this is called the Valentine Challenge. And for this, you're going to have to wear a blindfold.
Game.
Is that okay with you?
Of course.
Okay, so sit down. We wouldn't want you to injure yourself. At ngayon, pakilagay na po ang blindfold kay Mr. Richard Gutierrez.
Come on, let's get drunk.
Ang whole point of this game is to find out how well Richard knows his Valentine girls. So, although alam niya kung sino sa mga Valentine girls niya ang nandito, hindi niya malalaman kung sino dito si Girl 1 at si Girl 2. So, let's call them onto the stage. Rian Ramos and Solenn Heussaff.
Could you be a
And don't bet on it, Richard.
Do I have a prize?
That's in no particular order. If you get your guesses right, you get to kiss both of them.
Wow.
Wherever you want. So, okay. Girl 1, Girl 2, are you guys ready? Okay, tawagin na natin ang ating round girl na si Jillian Ward. Thank you, Jillian. Round 1 is called the smell round. Dito, aamuyin ang leeg. Aamuyin ni Richard ang leeg ni Girl 1 at ni Girl 2 at mamaya, igaguess niya kung sino si Girl 1 at si Girl 2. So let's start with Richard. I just want to remind you na si Girl 1 will stay Girl 1 all throughout the game. So just keep it in your memory kung which is which. So girls, although you have microphones right now, don't use them. Girl 1, please go to Richard's...
Are you ready?
Go to Richard's nose and have him smell your neck.
Where's Girl 1? Let me smell it.
Anong amoy?
Bango ah.
That's Girl 1. Girl 2? Ang daya ng audience, huwag kayo masyado maingay. You're such a giveaway. Okay. Right off the top of your head, Richard, do you have like a good guess already kung sino si Girl 1 at sino si Girl 2?
Yeah.
Okay.
Smells familiar.
Okay, but you will have more chances to prove that dahil meron pa tayong round 2. Pasok, Jillian! Ang sexy naman mag-dance ng round girl natin. Round 2 is the touch round. Ang gagawin, hahawakan ni Richard ang kamay at bewang ng dalawang Valentine girls natin. At like always, just as before, aalamin niya kung sino si Girl 1 at si Girl 2. Girl 1, please go right ahead. Your hands, please. To Richard's hand.
Girl 1?
This one's Girl 1, Shard. Bewang! Baka sakaling alam ni Richard ang exact sukat ng mga waistlines ng Valentine girls niya.
Sexy ah.
Okay. Wala namang hindi sexy sa Valentine girls mo. Kahit si Extreme Eugene, sexy rin eh. And here comes girl 2. Hands first. And now your waist. Up.
Okay.
Waist lang ah.
Okay. I was about to explore but no, never mind.
Okay. May we know, Richard, kung sino na ang napipisil mong girl 1 at this point so far?
So far, yung nauuna, si Rian. Yung pangalawa, si Solen.
We'll find out. You have one last round to ascertain your choices.
Okay.
Eto na ang round 3! Fight! Enjoy ka naman, no, Jillian, no? Gawin mo nga yan sa next laban ni Pacquiao. Okay.
Go, Jillian.
Our last round is the kissing round, wherein girl 1 and girl 2 will each kiss Chard on the cheek.
Oh, exciting.
Gusto mo unahin natin si girl 2 para maiba naman. Girl
Pwede.
2, you go
Kahit sino.
first.
Uy.
Medyo medyo rough. Girl 1, sweet na sweet naman. Okay, Chard, have you made up your mind? Final na to. Sino si girl 1?
I think I'll be kissing both of them at the end of this.
Yabang.
Rian, girl 1, girl 2, Solen.
Okay, let's find out if you got it right. Take off your blindfold. Meet girl 1
I knew it.
and girl 2.
We are young,
Talaga, wow! Surprising!
stay up late.
Surprising, wow!
Paano mo naman nalaman?
Reaction, ano?
What gave it away, Chard? Was it the touch of the hand, the smell of the neck?
Simula pa lang, alam ko na eh. Sa smell.
Sinabi ba ni Raymond sa'yo? Hindi naman. No, the
Hindi.
smell. Are you,
Yeah.
because you're familiar with whose cologne?
I'm familiar with both of them, but Solen's wearing her favorite perfume and alam ko kung ano yung favorite niya.
Yun, kaya naman pala.
Yeah.
So Len, you gave it away. Well done. Oh, kiss na.
Kiss na? Oh, yung nag-switch kayo ng ano.
Oo, they were very
Nag-switch
creative about
kayo,
it. They tried their best to fool you, but alas, you know them too well. So Chard,
Yes.
go ahead and get your prize.
Oh, I'm so lucky. What a great day today.
And Solen and Jillian,
Jillian.
please come up on stage.
Ako naman i-kiss mo, Jillian.
Yay! Go ahead, Chard. I know that you guys are very excited to talk about this new movie.
Yes, we're here to spread the love this Valentine's Day. Mga kapuso, may Valentine Girls po. Opening na sa Feb 9 ngayong Wednesday po yan. At may premiere night po kami sa Feb 8 sa SM Mega Mall, Cinema 9. 6:30 p.m. Magkita-kita po tayo dyan. It's going to be a great Valentine movie. Paglabas nyo po ng sinihan, siguradong nakangiti po kayo. Sulit po ang ibabayad nyo dyan.
Rian, who else is with you in this movie?
Well,
I know
ang hindi
that's
namin kasama dito ay si Lovey Poe at saka si Eugene Domingo.
But they're gonna be in the movie as well as Sweet, right? John Lapos.
Yes, may napakagandang cameo dyan si Sweet. Abangan
that's
nyo yan.
right. John Lapos,
Yes.
Akihiro Sato, Rocco Nacino, Princess Punzalan, and marami pa.
So then,
We have 3 directors, Chris Martinez, Andoy Ranay, and Dominic Zapata.
and you?
Yes,
what would you
mamaya
like to
po,
say?
pagkatapos ng Showbiz Central, nasa SM San Lazaro po kami. Magkita-kita po tayo dyan.
Ikaw naman mag-invite.
Manood
5
po
p.m.
kayo ng Valentine's Girls sa February 9 at saka po mamaya sa MSM San Lazaro po kami.
Yes. I would like to thank my sponsors, Bench Flawless, and happy birthday to my dad. Today is his birthday.
Uy, happy birthday
Happy birthday,
to
Dad.
Eddie.
I love you.
And don't Eric De Los Santos.
Don't forget to get a copy of the February issue of Cosmo. They have Richard and Solen on the cover of that issue. Anything else, guys?
That's it. My Valentine Girls, Feb 9 po.
Good luck on the movie, you guys. At
Thank you, Melo.
Maraming salamat sa House of Ubaji and also to Arnold Galang for my outfits last week, Jerome Salaya-Ang for my outfits today. At magbabalik po ang Showbiz Central. Please stay with us. Thank you so much, guys.
Tutukan, sexy actress Jillian Lopez. 2 milyon ang ginastos sa reception pa lang ng kasal. Relasyong Hart at Daniel, dadaan sa matinding interogasyon. Sa Valentine edition ng Don't Lie to Me Reloaded.
Edu nagpatayo ng clinic para sa Children's Hospital.
I think this is tribute to the children who every day have to go through so much sa kanilang buhay.
Susunod na, Regine Velasquez at Ding Dong Dantes. Naghanda na ng matitinding tanong sa isa't isa. Live na live!